Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be learning how to create a thumbnail for a YouTube video. So firstly, we need to select a picture from the gallery. This one with the reaction. We need to choose the picture which will be appropriate for the video and increase the views. So now I will be going to the PicsArt. Select the PicsArt app and see the option cut out which I want to select to edit my picture for the video. Selected the picture. Now seeing the option cut out, this one, I need to select a option person. Select it. It selected the area of some of my face and body. So few areas what I wanted to select, I do manually with the option restore. I preview the image, it looks like this, so I need to restore some of the area manually with the tool restore, and this I am doing. We need to be very careful in this area because we need to select the picture very carefully. You can see I have done some of the wrong area selected, so I need to choose the erase option and redo the picture with the side corners. This is my armpit. I wrong selected the area, so I need to erase carefully. We can undo, we can erase from this option. Now I select the whole picture. The area selected I wanted to be on the thumbnail, and the small minute corners also. Now we need to preview the image and it looks like this. So now it's done properly as we want. So we select it and save the image. Now we go to the thumbnail maker app which we'll use for the thumbnail making. Selected the frame according to the size of the YouTube thumbnail. Here it is selected. Yeah. Now we can choose the background, printed one or solid one with floral prints. Any one we wanted to select we can. I selected this one with the color shaded combination. I love pink blues, so I selected this one. Now we go to the gallery and select the picture which we have done editing with PicsArt app. This is it. We'll paste it here. Resize with the bottom tool. Plus and minus, you can see those two options. Minus means small and plus means it will increase the size of the picture. We can add effects also. We can change the color scheme also. Now you can see background is slightly changing the color. Now we'll selecting the effect and it look like cracking the background. It looks like great. We can increase or decrease. Now we'll go to the title option and add title to the video. Title should be the one which stand out for your video. That needs to be a small, but the one will see once and want to open the video. Can add symbols, change font, text background, anything according to the background of the image. I need font to be bold one, so I selected the bold font and now I'll be changing the size of the text and color scheme. I am playing with the colors. Color needs to be the vibrant one, which just eye-catching, and I'm changing the colors of the text according to my mood, according to my style. Any color you can pick, but that should be a vibrant and highlighting one. We can change the color of the text background also, but this not looking great with the picture because it hiding my picture's face, some of the area I wanted to show on thumbnail. So I dropped the idea to add the text background and back to the pavilion and choose the normal and neutral one text only. Now I'm resizing the picture again to see how it looks, how it goes, if I smaller the picture or increase the text. But I also don't like these symbols, so I edited that, and now I want to add colors, want to change the colors of the text. Red is like the most bolder color, so I wanted to add this on my thumbnail. I use other options also like tilt, like curves, but this not going with my thumbnail. Now I add another text called haul, HAUL. We want to change the color of the text and background of the text also. We'll place this haul in between these two words. Now we'll changing the text color, changing the background color. It should be a lighter one because all the colors we have using in the thumbnail is a lighter shades. So I use this sea green kind of a color, and resizing the Amazon unboxing text, so to place in between the haul and it looks like a good one. This is how you can create. This is all about fun things. Use colors, font of the text with vibrant color only, as I said earlier also. This is how we do. Now our thumbnail is ready. Save the thumbnail, and thanks for watching this video. If you are new here, then please consider subscribing. Have a good day. Bye bye.